Pre-roll, so it's going to be just like the intro. Measure, count in for 4, and then 1, 2, 3. Ready?
I didn't want to leave you, I didn't want to fight. Started to cry, but then remembered I...
No. 3, 2.
I didn't want to leave you, I didn't want to fight. Started to cry, but then remembered I...
So if you ever saw the first Fast and Furious movie where they were stealing DVD players, well, those are pretty useless nowadays. Anyway, my buddy Greg, who usually films some of our vlog footage, came across 5 pairs of these AKG K271 MK2s, Mark IIs. Kind of like the Iron Man suits, and he came across them completely legally. There was no funny business involved. Just there's nothing that I said about Fast and Furious earlier or anything like that. Completely legal, but he gave me a pair, and that's freaking sick. So thank you, Greg. And the cool thing about these is that they're closed back. I don't have closed back headphones, so when we're doing vocals and stuff like that, sometimes the click will get into the microphone. These will prevent that from happening, and it came with a little cute pigtail. So, boom!
Jesus Christ.
That's what they call me.
Here.
Joe's talking to me once again. Once again, Joe's just saying words without actually doing anything. So, look at him over there. Look at him over there. We're in the midst of a renovation here, but we have Mr. Mike Quinn kind of jamming with us tonight. He's more engaged with his cell phone game there, but you should say hi. He's doing great though so far. So, yes. We'll see if he sticks around. Got Mr. Omar J. Fancy Fingers Washing here today, laying down that sex. Ghosty.
I didn't want to leave you.
We promise he's actually a drummer. We promise. Right, Jamie? We promise.
No,
As a band, we're highly talented, but we also have things we can do on the side. Coming to a Craigslist near you, Birds of Squalor side jobs. Nate, are you in your element?
Yeah. Yeah, this is what I do on the side.
Outside of stripping.
Yeah.
Best part about Birds of Side projects is nothing is done until Nate plays the drums. Side projects of Squalor.